because I didn't record it. Now I'm recorded. Welcome again. I'm your host, Steve Coates, better known as Crypto Steve. So again, I really want to close that gap. And these questions are questions that's been asked to not just me, any and everybody. And you're probably gonna say, yeah, I've been asked that question too. And I really want to help close that gap of you learning and understanding. Like, again, some of you probably heard of this and know it, but now you're going to understand it. It's going to really make real great sense to you, and you're going to see the benefit of what it's going to do for you, right? Not just for me, but for you. I believe that this is the year for exposure to create expansion. And I want y'all to know that the more that you expose, the more you expand. Watch this. I will never forget it. 2017, December. I'm in the crypto space. I have crypto. November, the last couple of days in November, Bitcoin was at $9,600. My partner and I was in Vegas at Mandalay Bay at a hotel in an event, a real estate event. Convention, and we was there, and we was part of their whole crew and part of the testimonies that was done and some of the great things that happened, and we had to give out testimonies. They was videoing us, and I'm saying all that to say that it was a great time for us. We had done extremely well. We had found some property that we had just capitalized on it. I would tell you, earning great profits, and we was a hard lender and a private lender as well as flipping and buying and holding and, rehabbing everything. What I realized, we started, it was like November the 30th, Bitcoin was 9,000, like 9,600, 9,600, somewhere around that range, right? About 7 days later, around December the 6th or the 7th, it might have been the 5th, 6th or 7th, one of those days. I got to really go back and look. I think it's the 6th though. Bitcoin went to $12,000 some dollars. It gained 30% in less than 7 days. What do that mean, Crypto Steve? Well, I'm gonna tell you what it means. I gave you the story to help you understand that I was at a real estate convention in Vegas. Was called there, me and my partner, for doing some extreme great things in that industry. And I'm saying that because when I seen Bitcoin do 30% in 7 days, where I was taking my money and holding it up for a year, 18 months to gain 15%, or even to take and flip some property and have to wait and hoping that an inspector don't show up on time and laws don't get changed in the process of this property, or the permit office that's not giving out permits, hoping all these other, at the middle of all that and gaining at the most at that time. Now, granted, as a private in the Harlan, about 12 to 15%, but as a wholesaler or retail or rehabs, I was gaining up to 30%, 40%, made one property gain 200%. And it was phenomenal. Watch this. And that was great. What I understood is that for us to take that one property to make 300% up on it, it took about almost 7-8 months, right? And that was unusual. And that wasn't regularly, that wasn't normal. It was just that I found a great deal from a guy that really had to get out of a situation, and I was able to help him, and in turn he helped me. We held that property, kind of like did little or nothing to it, and held it for a little bit, and we earned some great money. Watch this. But when I seen Bitcoin do 30% in 7 days, that was a game changer. I was exposed to something that generated me an income at a short period of time. Watch this. I was at a real estate convention. I said, then I'm not going in there because I just been exposed to 30% in 7 days. If I can get 30% in 7 days, it's 30 days in a month. That's 4 times a month. If I could just do that here and gain 10% a month, 30% a month. That's phenomenal instead of gaining 30% in a year. Y'all understand what I'm saying? Now, for me, that was a game changer. That made me say, if I'm gonna spend my time and energy in something that's gonna pay me, what do I want to spend it in? The one that's gonna earn me the most. So I went here and got started because I got exposed. It got interesting for me. Now I was already in the space, but watch this, because now here come expansion. I got exposed. My mind can't shrink back. Ain't nothing, no one, and nowhere in God's good green earth is going to tell me anything different, because numbers don't lie. And so when I seen that, I was exposed. My mind expanded. And then a month later, I was on a thread with some guys, and the guy told me we was all talking about cryptocurrency. We was gonna buy. We was in this thread all over the people from all over the world, and we was saying, "Yeah, we're gonna buy this. We're gonna buy this," and we was just bouncing around cryptocurrency. We was gonna buy, and one in particular, this one guy, and not that I knew him before this happened, but I still didn't know him. He was just on the thread. We was somebody we was talking to. What I did understood that he was part of the thread, and this is what happened. We all talked about the crypto we was going to buy, gave it the symbol, you know what it was, and this one guy come back. That was a Friday, January the 12th, 2018. Sunday, he come back and say, "I just made $100,000 off $100 in less than 2 days." Now we all say, "Oh yeah, whatever." And he put it up, and we went to the blockchain and we seen it. And he did. He showed that it showed where it did a pulse, a bull run. And he bought it for fractions of a penny, $100, and it went to almost 11 cents, and he cashed out at $100,000. What just happened? I got exposed. And then I heard from friends and other people, friends of friends, and how they took 1,000 and turned it into 200,000, took 2,500 and turned it into 60,000. I kept hearing all this. And then guess what happened? 2018, it happened to me. $27,000 into $135,000 in less than 4.5 hours. It happened to me. It took me a while to get my money in and out, but it only took me 4.5 hours to make the transactions happen, to gain the money. Hear what I'm saying? Hear what I'm saying, you guys? And what am I saying? I'm saying this: exposure creates expansion. And that's what I'm here to give you guys, some exposure so you can expand. Your mind won't shrink back. It's 2022, and this is the year that you're going to expand, especially here in this space. Hey, again, thank you for joining. I appreciate y'all. I want to make sure I know everybody on here now, and it's 7:12 where everybody going to be on here now. So let me go ahead and share my screen so I can walk through this simple step by step. Okay, perfect. There we go. All right, first, who am me? So some of you on here, you don't know me. Some of y'all might just see me, heard from me, or know me not as much, and that's cool. Listen, I appreciate you. I want you to know who I am, and I want you to know that you're not just talking about. My wife and I have been building businesses. I've been building business all my life, over 30 years, right? We've been awarded Successful Journey of a Black Entrepreneur 3 times. We actually are, and I'm going to share this with being dreaming centers of this company that we partner with. And that's a whole nother industry, a whole nother story, right? And also, I still have traditional businesses, brick and mortars. I have a clothing store. I have a solutions company, right? We provide solutions to businesses with complicated issues. Also, a real estate firm. And I have done extremely well in crypto and blockchain technologies in the space. And also, I am the owner, operator of East Bay Construction, a infrastructure construction firm where we do underground utility work. And what am I most excited about is this. So last year, my wife and I was awarded 400,000. I was awarded 400,000 for being number 2 from a dream incentive that this company issued this $3.5 million. And I was number 2 in the company, and I gained $400,000. My wife was number 15, and she gained $20,000 Rolex watch. Now, she could have took the money too, but she wanted to watch, right? So anyway, it was $420,000. That's my house is look real like that, right? And I say that because that's similar, not the total, but it is similar. And the watch is similar too. It's a great picture. One of my friends created this for me, and we got awarded this in Dubai at a global summit that totally changed our life. We will never be the same from it. I'm so grateful and thankful to be a part of this company at the time that's maneuvering in the crypto space. So I love the fact that this was a plus for us on top of everything else. Again, exposure creates expansion. If I was exposed to it, it happened to me, it'll happen to you. That's all I want y'all to really understand. Not only, but that's what I want y'all to understand why I'm sharing this to you. I want to expose you to things that happened to me, and I'm nobody special. I'm just like you. I just understand that once I've been exposed, expansion is going to happen. So with that being said, listen, a lot of you might want to know, how can you stay connected with me? And some of you already know, for sure, my YouTube channel, I put up different YouTubes about different things in the crypto space using blockchain technology. You can follow me on Instagram, crypto_Steve. Listen, I will never ask you for money. So if somebody, and this had happened, people had took all my pictures and try to, create pages that look like me, but I will never ask you for money, ever. You ain't never have to worry about that. That's not me, okay? And also, you can join me with S Coach Enterprise. So what I realized is when I did all that I shared with you guys earlier about taking 27,000 on, turning it into 135,000, I realized that I was showing everybody how to use the technique that I have learned. But what I didn't know, because you're talking about 4 years ago, people really didn't understand how to maneuver in and out. And so what I realized is that I needed to make sure that I provide a platform for people to really take advantage of that. And so S Coach Enterprise, which is the eBrand Club, I train people to be leaders and entrepreneurs and understanding the cryptocurrency space. Don't take my word for it. Read the reviews on the website. You can go there and look at it, read it. If you want to join me, as of now, it's $39.99 a month. It's a subscription, and you will see why it's so beneficial to a lot of people all over the world. Also, you can join me on Facebook. I think this is one of my valuable assets here. And it's a free crypto support Facebook group, right? It's crypto support team. It's a group on Facebook, and yet I'm not in there a lot, but I do post, and I do have some valuable things that's in there. So you can follow me there or request to join the group, and I'll let you in. All right, perfect. Let me just share this quick disclaimer. I speak crypto and blockchain, but I am not a financial advisor. I believe blockchain technology is the infrastructure of cryptocurrency, and it is transformative, technological infrastructure or innovation in this entire world. We have something big that we was born in a day and a time to be in front of all of that. You're going to love this. So let's go ahead and get started. What is the investor's dilemma? The number one thing that I hear from everybody is this right here. When do I buy? When do I buy? Okay, Crypto Steve, I hear you, but when do I buy it? I hear what you're saying about the crypto, but when do I buy? And then the next question, have you had that question? You did, right? And then the next question is, what do I buy? Or the vice versa. What do I buy and when do I buy? One or the other, either way you put it, these are some of the most asked questions in cryptocurrency and any financial market all over the world. And how do I know that? because I get asked this a lot. And not just me, you can ask anybody, because this is the dilemma. This is the question that people, the investors have. They often face this dilemma of wanting high prices when they sell, but not when they buy. Is that true? The dilemma causes investors to wait for dips in prices. You heard, buy it on a dip, right? And sometimes you miss out on a continual rise. However, investors get lured away when markets become entangled in the slippery slope of market timing, which is not advisable to a long-term investor or short-term investor, depending, right? And so if I was to say anything, I would say this asset strategy been around for years. I'm not the designer of it. I just put some things together. I am the designer of what I'm gonna share with y'all tonight. I am the creator of that's what I love about this space. You can create things. You can take this and that and create it. And oh boy, what a wonderful thing. So watch this. Here you go. To maximize your investment with dollar cost average. Now, some of you probably say, oh yeah, I heard of this. I know this, and I'm quite sure you have. The risk factor is very low here, though, at dollar cost average. With this strategy, I'm going to teach you. Low to none. You lose low to none. And depending on if it is a long-term investment, you really don't lose. It's a low risk and almost no loss. I love it. Let's go ahead and let me share this with you real quick. All right, the agenda tonight. What is DCA? How DCA work? DCA/crypto rewards. I'll give you my use case, my own portfolio. We'll see it live as well. I'll give you some prerequisites of what we got to do to get you started. I want to help you. I want to make sure you take advantage of this. And then how to get started. And then I will show you guys, I will show you real time, real counts I have. This is what I love about this space. Listen, I'm not telling you something that I seen or heard or did or somebody else did. No, I'm telling you what I did and what I'm doing and how you gonna do it, how you can do it if you want, and you're gonna benefit as well. Okay, fair enough. Here you go. Dollar cost average. What is dollar cost average? Dollar cost average refers to a practice of systematic investing. It's taking an equal amount instead of getting it all at once, but dividing it up over a period of time in intervals, if you like, regardless of the price. Now, some will say, yeah, but how is that going to help? Well, let me just share this. Watch this. So it helps you build savings and wealth over a longer period. You avoid making mistakes and investing in lump sums at poorly timed. You hear about this cryptocurrency going up, and guess what happened? You go in and buy it, and then later you see it drop because you bought at the height of the crypto. You bought at the time where everybody was talking about it. Instead of being in front, you bought in the middle or behind. Now, there's a solution for that too, but I won't talk about that now. But this helps you avoid that mistake. How so, Crypto Steve? I'm glad you asked. Watch this. A smart investor does this. This is what they do. They reduce the overall impact of the volatility of the price of the target asset. I said asset, y'all. I'm not just talking about crypto. I'm not talking about just stock. I'm talking about an asset. Watch this. It could be gold. It could be silver. It could be Tesla stock, Google stock, whatever. Cryptocurrency for sure, right? Watch this. This is the key. Here go the key right here. When the price go down of that asset, you buy more. Why? Because I'm buying in a systematic way. I want to spend $500. I take the $500 and I break it up into 10 weeks of me spending $50. So when the price goes down, I get more of the asset. When the price go up, I get less of the asset, as the price will likely vary each time. It doesn't even matter, because the cost of that buy brings your acquisition down of the whole asset or the amount you want to spend. Let's look at a real occurrence. Here you go. So recurring purchases, you take your price with a fixed asset, whatever that price amount may be. And you can change it anytime. I will show you guys some of that. But the purchase is frequently. You can purchase. Now, one time wouldn't help, but I have to put that in there. If you want to purchase one time, you can, but that ain't. No, we're talking about dollar cost average. We're talking about purchasing on frequently. And what would work is either you're going to do it daily, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, whatever you decide you want to do. Okay. But a dollar cost average is buying frequently over a period of time, not a one-time purchase. Okay. Let's look at a real live stock that actually is using the dollar cost average and showing you how it worked. Here go a general idea of the strategy, and assuming that the prices will eventually always rise. The one thing I love about what I'm gonna show y'all is that you will never have to worry about that. Now, I'm gonna show you why. So watch this. So just at the chart, I know it's a lot here. I just want to give y'all some little perks here. So as you see, let me get, okay. As you thought I had the spotlight, I'm sorry. As you can see, pay one is simply saying, now, okay, let me start over. So where you see the pays at, that's like days or weeks or months, however you want to put it. It can be daily pay one, you can do it every day, and pay one will be day one, pay two will be day two, or you can do a weekly. Pay one will be the first week, pay two will be the second week, and so on, all the way to 10 weeks, 10 months, 10 years, whatever you decide to do, right? But what I want you to see is that your contribution is $50. So in return, you're going to spend $500 regardless. And the key here is that I want to bring my acquisition down, where I will have a systematic price that will overall bring down that price. So if I come in when the hype of the cryptocurrency is hype, and I put it in this dollar cost average system, if it go back down, I'm buying low. I buy a little bit when it's high, but when it go down, I buy more when it's low. And the reality is that it's in a fixed asset. So here you go. This is the S&P 500 index fund. $50 is distributed. Each one is $10 the first week or the first day. Let's do it like this. Let's say the first day or the first week. I spend $50. I get 10 of them. They're $10 a piece. I'm sorry. This stock is $10 a piece. The next week is $10.50. I still spend the same $50. The third week is $10.75. I'm still spending only $50. The fourth week it's $11. I'm still only spending $50. But watch this. Here you go. The fifth week is $10.25. I'm still only spending $50. Sixth week, I'm spending $50 and I'm buying it at $9.95. As you can see, the shares when I first bought it was 5 at $10 with my $50. As week 2, I only got 4.76. When week 6 come, I got 5.03 because it went down. Now, all the way to these 10 different times I bought. Now, I bought it from anywhere from $9.95 all the way up to $11.25. But look at the cost of the overall asset that I bought using my $500. $10.48 for each one. And I end up having 47.71 of the stocks, and I still spent only the $500. Watch this. The shares I own is here, and as you can see, The investment value now is $536 because of where the asset is now, right? And so therefore, from this analogy, I gained $36.79. Okay. It's vesting $500 over weeks, and your average you bring down your dollar cost average for the asset. Let's talk about this other way. Let's talk about it. So everybody understand that part. Let's go here. Man, if you let me. Okay, still the investor dilemma. Now we talked about when to buy, and you guys understand that you buy at a consistent or a systematic way at the same amount on a regular basis, and it brings your acquisition down for that cost of that asset. This is the next question that everybody asks, as I shared earlier. Okay, Steve, Crypto Steve, what am I buying? What stock? What crypto? What asset? Well, I'm glad you asked. Listen, watch this. If I could show you how to use the DCA model, the strategy, with a rewarding asset, of course, would you be interested? I know. You ain't got to tell me. I know you would. I would be too. Let's talk about it. So we talked about the DCA. Now let's talk about the DCA applied to a cryptocurrency asset. So you still recurring, your purchase is still on a recurring basis, whether it's daily, weekly, monthly, bi-weekly, whatever, right? Watch this. But you have it in a coin that is pledged, a crypto that now you can pledge, hold, just like you were holding your stock. The only difference here is that as I hold this crypto, I'm earning a reward, and it's unlimited. Watch this, because I know some of you saying, oh yeah, I already got this. I know you do. But watch this. This is the great part about it. Here it go. Here goes some cryptos. Because I know before we talk about, before I could tell you what to buy, let me tell you about what's happening. And I just did that. This is what you buy. These are just a few cryptocurrencies that allow you to buy in a systematic way where you will earn as you hold it. Now, I'm going to show you real live, and I'm only showing you a few, and I'll show you a lot more of things that we're going to have here, okay? Let's go ahead. Just remember, each one of these are cryptos. So watch this. If I'm going to buy a stock, I'm going to buy a stock at a dollar cost average in a systematic way. The only problem is that as I hold that stock, they're not going to pay me for holding it. I got to wait till the price go up for I benefit. Here, they're going to pay me to hold the assets. That's right. And these are the different cryptos using the DCA model that will most definitely change. Remember what I said? Your risk factor is low, almost to no losses, right? And even though you have low to almost no losses, the rewards are a little different, but I'm fine with that, because what I do know is that if I'm gaining here, I got to keep my money in rotation, and I might want to put some where I know the risk level is low to none. Okay, here you go. Let's talk about this. How DCA earn rewards in crypto? Well, the crypto pay you in the API, annual percentage yield, based on the asset stake, right? And the rewardings are automatically added. And the more you hold, the more you earn. And every time the asset is added, it compounds it. This is what I love about the idea of all of this, is that when the price of the cryptocurrency goes up, the thing that they paying you, rewarding you in, is now going up. So they reward me for hold. I put my, and I'm gonna show you, I take my fiat currency. I spend $50 on a Cosmo coin. And when I bought it, it was $28. And as I hold it there, it's got a reward system attached. As I hold it, they're going to pay me for it. And whether the price go up or down, it doesn't even matter. But watch this. The price of that asset when I bought it and they paid me the reward was at $28. It goes to $30. The coin value of me, what I'm buying and holding, has now went up. And also the reward that is paying me in has now went up. Because I bought low. I bought it when it was low and I got more. Now that asset has grown in value and now I have more of the rewards. This is the key. Here go a real live demo of my account. I started this a couple of years ago, and I really want to just show you how I started. I spent $100, and then I realized, okay, let me do this. And this is really before the rewards option even happened for me, right? And this coin is Tesno. This is just an example, but Tesno is one of the coins that I would say most definitely for me. I'm not a financial advisor, nor can I advise you in your finances, but I will show you what happened to me. Fair enough? Perfect. Here you go. So I bought $100 and then I bought $400 worth, right? At the price of the coin, as you can see, this is the price. This is what I purchased. This is how many I bought, right? And this is what I own now, total. And this is the value of it. And even though it is, and this is the value of both of them really, even though it is up, even though, watch this. Let's look at this next line. So here you go. I bought again. No, as I held, I got rewarded. I'm sorry. As I held it, it rewarded me. Now I just gained 1.97. Now I own, instead of owning 178, I own 180. I'm sorry. And now I have 497. Look like my assets still haven't caught up with what I paid because I paid $5. Watch this. I'm gonna keep going. Here go June. I spent $1,000 at this price. Bought that many. And this is the price. This is the transaction fee. I'm sorry. And this is how much I gained. I own now, and this is the price. I'm gonna go on because I need to show y'all this dollar cost average, and these are periods, so I don't have all of them. It would take a long time, right? I gotta cut through the chase and show y'all the real deal, right? So bottom line, I put this on the DCA model, and my rewards was 90. I have earned 90 Tesno coins. And even though, and this is what I spent, 4,069. What am I doing? 4,069. My cost of the asset averaged at 377 because I bought it 2 years ago when it was low, and now I'm buying at a consistent basis, and it went all the way to 670, and now my average is 377. Watch this. This is how many coins I own. That's the total amount of fees. That's what I gained. I gained that in Tesno. And as of now, that value, well, as of a couple of days. And this was my profit. It was really more. It's a lot there. Right? Anyway, here you go. Recap. And then I'm going to demo it. I'm going to show y'all the real demo. And then I'm going to walk through each step for you guys to set yours up so you can do the same thing. Fair enough. Here you go. This DCA crypto recap. You most definitely, you set up a dollar cost average. You have a recurring base. It could be $10 every month. I got mine set up on a monthly basis, $50 a month for one of the cryptos. Every month it gives me $50. And then I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you more. And so you sit up, whatever it is, $10 a month, whatever. So listen, the key here is to get your money in an asset in a way where you don't have to worry about when to buy or what to buy, but to put it in a vehicle where it will gain you regardless. Regardless, I have all of the probability of it gaining me more. I have not just, I have market timing. I have a dollar cost as average systematic system set up for me to buy on a regular basis. So when the coin is down, I buy more. When the coin is up, I buy less at a set price. Watch this. And I'm doing it in a crypto that has no other choice but to go up. And as I hold that crypto, they paying me in it that have all of the probability to go up. Here you go. So you sit your recurring purchase, the DCA model up, you stake that cryptocurrency to earn more, and then the rewards are paying out. This is just a recap. This is what's actually happened. So you sit a set amount of money to buy a cryptocurrency that you can stake, that you can pledge, that you can hold in your wallet. And as you hold it, it is repaying you in rewards every single day, week, month, at a yearly, at an APY basis. Okay, little to low to no risk. I'm gonna show you why. I'm gonna say this. So real quick, if you don't have Coinbase, most of you probably have Coinbase. Great. If you have Coinbase, awesome. I'm going to show you this is the platform today. That's it. It's real simple. You just go ahead. You can scan that link and get $10. If you don't have Coinbase, if you have Coinbase, great, because all we have to do now is to walk you through that process of setting up your account. I'll give you a couple of minutes. If you can, is there anyone on here that do not have a Coinbase account? Anyone? You want to, if you scan that link, that QR code, click on that little yellow thing that pop up in the QR code, and you can go ahead and set your account up. I'm gonna give you a couple of minutes because I really want y'all to walk through this. And everybody, you can just go ahead to the bathroom for a break real quick. I know we only been on here 42 minutes, but I really want to take the time I want y'all to take advantage of it. I don't care if you're doing $5 a month. I don't care if you're doing $10 a month. Whatever you want to give, you want to put in this app, you need to do it. And you need to do it now. And I'll show you why. And I'm not, of course, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you what to do, but I'm saying if you want to do it, you want to do it. And if you have money that you're generating from other places, if you got rewards from other things, take your rewards, put back into a system that's going to pay you more. I learned this a long time ago. If money not moving, it's dying. It's called currency for a reason. If money don't circulate and move, it dies. So we need you to have, I'm going to say this, money needs you to have it circulating so you can gain way more than what you already have. I really need y'all to take advantage of that opportunity. So if you can, if you already scanned that, I see a couple of people who say they don't have it. Scan that, click on it, just walk through that step. And I got you too for sure. I know set your Coinbase account up. Go ahead and link everything. And I see I got some hands. Let me see if I can answer a question. Okay. Yes.
Okay, Crypto Steve, I'm sorry. I do have on my phone Coinbase, but I've never used this or anything. So I'm like,
That's
it's telling me get started to sign in.
No, so I'm gonna sign in. So go ahead and sign in. Everybody that have it, go ahead and sign in. I'm gonna walk y'all through the step-by-step process. You don't have to worry. I'm gonna give it all to you step by step, but go ahead and log in. You have to log in if you have it, if you don't have it. So most definitely log in if you have it. If you don't have it, scan. Yeah, and if you never used it and it's on your phone, go in. If it's asking you, if it's saying that you already have the link, I mean, you already registered with that email, then just reset your password. And then it's going to prompt you to go through several steps. And I'm going to walk through those steps real quick.
Okay. Okay.
So no worries. So once you scan, perfect. Let's go to the next. Mickey, I think you had,
I did. My
Yeah.
question is, this is just regular Coinbase, not Coinbase Pro that you're going to be sending this to?
regular Coinbase. That's it.
Okay, thanks.
Yep.
That's it.
And so this is the next step. This is how it look. Once you sign into your Coinbase, we're going to go to that fixed asset tab. Wait a minute. And prompt you not have completed. Okay, yeah. Go to your asset tab. If you haven't, it'll show up. So watch this. When you click on that asset tab, once you log in, it will ask you to walk through the steps. You see over here on the right, number one, it say fund your account. And what it'll do, it'll have your account is created, your verification. It's a simple KYC verification, your ID, the back, the front, and that simple process. And then click on listen. I got my bank accounts on here, and I'm gonna show y'all. I have bank accounts linked to this. I have debit cards linked, and the reason why is because listen, Coinbase is a little how would I say it? So Coinbase, first of all, the reason why I like Coinbase is it's one of the most used platforms. Of course, it's regulated and it is a centralized platform. So it's regulated by the government, right? US government. Coinbase is even on the stock market, right? They came out last year on the stock market, and they also regulate it. So that means any money you bring in or out will be monitored, and you will get a 1099. Same thing with Cash App, right? And crypto.com. But what I love about Coinbase, they have kind of like really, Coinbase was one of the first wallet apps that exist that really allow you to bring your money from fiat money, US dollars, into the space so you can maneuver in the space. I'll never forget it. When I was telling y'all that story earlier, that Coinbase was the account that I seen. Bitcoin went from 9,600 to 12 something in 7 days, 6-7 days. And what I realized is that it was only two cryptocurrencies on there at the time. And it was Bitcoin and I want to say Ripple. I don't think Ethereum was on there yet at the time. It was Bitcoin and XRP. But I'm saying that to say, so they've been around, they got stability, they're backed by the government, they are a legit company, and they're connected with two banks in the US, one in San Francisco and one in New York. I say that to say, so you can rest assured it's not a third party, it is actually connected here in the US. Now that's a good and a bad thing. The great thing is that once you started using it, it allows you to bring much money you want in. You won't be able to bring it out instantly, but once you started using it, you'll be able to bring it out at will. But once you set up your account, you guys, again, add your payment, whether it's a debit card, credit card, bank card, I think debit card or bank card, or bank account. I think that will be one of the best options. It's quick, it's fast. And then once you do that, the next thing is you're going to the asset. I got to go back and change this. Sorry. Review to earn videos. Okay. So there's a lot more here that you can do. I'll talk about that another time. But once you fund your account is the main thing I wanted to make sure. You fund your account, and then the first cryptocurrencies. Now I have the cryptocurrencies acronyms up here. Atom or Atom, or they call it Tom or Atom. It's Cosmo really, but XTZ is Tesno, and Algo. These are the three. It's one more, but I don't know if I want to talk about that, but I will tell you this one. This Cosmo is one of the best ones. And so this is the process, but I know some of you may not be there yet. If you're not there, no worry, I'll come back because we got some time. I'll work with you, but I want to work with the people that already there, that already got it set up. So go to your Coinbase, go to your trade. And when you go on trade, go to Commos, find Commos. It's a couple of things we got to do here that's going to really help you. And you're going to buy. You can buy, it'll show you, as you can see on my screen, trade, type in, you can type it in up on the number 2, and then it'll say buy, click on buy. When you click on buy, or it may be on the left-hand side, depending on what device you're on, it's going to give you the option underneath a buy the Cosmo. And you click on that drop-down tab, it's going to say buy one time, daily, weekly, 1st and the 15th, or monthly. And whatever day the day is will be the day that your monthly, that monthly dollar cost average set price will come out. Whether it's $10, $20, $50, you know, think about it like this. If you know you earning money in other platform, or you're earning money from your job, or you're earning money from a company that's paying you whatever, and you want to take your money and you just saying, but look, I don't want to sit money down. Money dies. So great, then do this.
Secure your account as to whether we will never call you a user. Okay, continue.
Let me see. I got some. So once you do that, go ahead and walk through that process and raise your you can raise your hand if y'all got any more questions. Let me get to the next person. And everybody here, they see what's going on. You can tell me, stop, text it in the chat bar. Let me make sure I help you. But here go the details and the directions right here on the screen. Again, the red one is a detail. Go to Coinbase, find that trade, go to step 2, find in the address bar, type it in, you know, go down to underneath for the buy combos, click on the drop down tab, pick the frequency again, and then you pick the amount you want to do. You can do 10, 50, or 100, or you can hit custom. You can do 28, you can do 38, you can do 40, you can do 75, you can do 99, whatever you decide. Is a custom tab as well. Okay. And once you do that, it's going to show you, and then you can pick the different payment card you want to use or bank you want to use by clicking on the arrow, put it in. Once you do that, underneath of buy Cosmo, it's got a frequently. Remember, it's going to tell you whether you're going to do a weekly, monthly, or daily, whatever you decide. Okay. Once you set that up, Sandra, you had a question?
I was trying to find the Cosmos and I couldn't find it.
No, are you on the tab? Are you on?
No, I see it.
You see it?
I found the search bar.
Okay.
Yes, and okay, it's
Yep.
30.
And it may look a little different depending on the device that you guys are on. And if you want, I mean, I can show you. You just raise your hand. I'll pull you up and make sure you get it. Again, I'm going to come back, though, to help a lot of you guys. If you're not there already, I will help you. I'll walk back through it to help you. Let me go through this. I'm sorry. Let me go through this first to everybody, and then I'll come back if you guys don't find it. So next step after this is once you buy Cosmo, again, you pay, you buy, your bank account is what you link. Oh shoot, gotta go back and do this. You added your payment, okay. You pay with whatever system. If you're walking through this is your first time and you haven't set up your card, this is the step you would go to link your bank account actually on this tab. Some of you already did that. And for the ones that did not, I'll come back and get you. Let me get to the people that already took care of it. So once you buy it, This is your account. This is what I want y'all to do. I want you to say, make this weekly buy. And you should already, if you did it one time, then it's going to ask you that. And it's going to tell you can cancel if you already have the asset on your dashboard and you want to put it in a dollar cost average systematic, right? A dollar cost average strategy, then you can go, and I'm going to show you that as well. But if you want to buy on that regular basis, you can buy it now and have it sit up and just click click buy, and then go to the transaction. The next step, once your assets show up, and I'm going to show y'all all this in real time. I'm going to show y'all my dashboard. Once your asset is set up, you'll see your wallet. You click on wallet. I mean, you click on the asset, Commos. You click on wallet. And once you click on wallet, you'll see your rewards. You click on manage, you'll start seeing it, how it look. This is key, you guys. Some of you might already have it and never did this. And so therefore you're not earning. You have to select the staking 5% option. Okay. If you just doing this, then it's set up on none. Again, I will come back to all this. Okay. And once you check the staking for Commos, it asks you, yes, switch to staking. Okay. And again, I'm most definitely not going to just tell y'all something and not help you and not walk you through it. Okay. I will come back and make sure that y'all will know everything. But for the people that already have it, kind of like can maneuver, you can just go straight to Commos, go to your wallet, go to manage reward on the right hand side, and then click on that, and it's going to pull this page up. Select staking, and then it's going to say yes, switch to staking, and now your asset just went into a dollar cost average staking model. Now this been around, but the thing about how it's going to earn. All right, and then again, you just repeat the steps on every process, every coin. You know, you just go through the same steps. I'll go back over it again, you guys, no worries. Let me just show you that from so far. Listen, I want to give y'all this. I want to show y'all this real live in my account. So I'll leave this up back at.
I don't see where the wallet is.
Okay, no worries. I'm gonna walk you through it.
I bought it already, but I don't.
Okay. Perfect. Let me go ahead and okay. Let me sign me out of my Coinbase, of course. Okay, skip, sign in. It's funny because I'm on the same device, but I think because I'm on Zoom, it signed me out, and it did some other things like making me ask some other questions. And that's a security feature behind the scenes that I love that we have. And look at this, user update agreement. Now it's making me accept new terms and everything.
I just did that too.
Yeah, man. So that's great. I'm loving it. I love it. All right. So let's go here. Now listen, I'm gonna tell y'all, I'm gonna show y'all. Let me see.
Do you have their Visa card?
Hold on for a second. Why is that moving? That all. Okay. Say page not responsive. What is going? Okay. So anyway, let me share my screen, and then I'm gonna show you real quick too. So any questions? Let's walk through this. Let me walk through the whole tab. So y'all, you can see my screen. I'm on assets, right? for all y'all that may not can see where to go. So you're on assets. All you do is you go to trade.
Trade, okay.
This for people that didn't buy it yet, or you have bought it, or you want to buy it, and you type in what you want to do right here. Bang. What coin? So again, my internet is moving a little slow.
Did you say Tezos?
Yeah,
Steve, or no?
the first one I'm gonna give you guys. Let me give y'all this.
Atom.
Yeah,
Atom, Cosmos.
and I'm gonna come back and give y'all the rest. Okay.
All right.
So Cosmo. So trade Cosmo and then click buy. Once you click buy, you click how much you want to buy, and then you add your frequency, daily, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, whichever one you want to do. And then all you do is select the account you want to use. PayPal, you can use PayPal too. Select the account you want to use, or add a payment method. It's a real simple process. Of course, bank accounts give you the larger amount, but you can use debit cards. Debit cards may take a little longer than normal. So to register, to be able to buy. But however, you set it up, bam, you buy. You click on buy. Once you buy, it's brought. Okay. Once you do that, you see right here where it say Tesno, it's going to bring you to your asset page. I'm sorry. It's going to bring you to this asset page. When it brings you to this asset page, you need to find, if you don't have it, you just got to find it here, or you can go back to trade and then type it in. Again, if you got a lot of cryptos, it's probably going to be hard to find, but click here. And I want to show y'all something why I'm giving y'all. So watch this. So now once I click here, I'm on Commos, I'm on trade, as you can see, and then Commos or Atom. I'm under the overview tab. Now I know someone asked this. So you're going to go to wallet. That's wallet. Now wallet shows you all of the different things you've done. Buy, reward. It's probably going to just have the buy option there, right? And when they have the buy option there, you're going to be able to scroll down to the right-hand side of your page and go to manage. When you click on manage, it's going to bring you to this screen, and yours probably will have this, but you got to click that.
Click what?
Are you looking at the screen, Mickey?
Yeah, but mine says it's got something popped up, earn up to 5% interest on your crypto. I don't.
So are you watching my screen?
I am, but mine don't look. Oh, there it is. I just clicked that away. Okay, gotcha.
There you go. There you go. So you're going to click on staking 5%, or what it almost is 5%. You're going to click on staking, and then you're going to click done. And then it's going to tell you exactly all of the process of everything. All right, I'll go back over it. No worries. But yes.
I don't see where wallet. I'm on the phone. Maybe it's different.
You say what?
I don't see where it says wallet.
Go to trade on your phone.
Okay, trade.
And then find the search bar. If you don't have anything on there and you bought it or you didn't buy it, go to trade, type in Commos, or type in ATOM.
I already bought it. I bought it.
Okay, so when you go to trade, you have your wallet. It should show up in your wallet.
Oh, say where it says buy.
Okay,
ATM.
so go to your search bar then. Search bar. See that? Go to search, all assets.
Okay.
Type in ATO. ATOM. Sorry.
When I go to assets, I see Cosmos, the first thing. It says your assets. And the first one I see is Cosmos.
Okay, asset.
Click on that.
Click on asset. Click on Commerce. Yes.
Okay. And
And then underneath of that, you got wallet. Yes, I'm sorry. Underneath of Commerce and the time. I don't know how it's going to look on your phone, and I don't have it up, but you're going to see overview, wallet, and vote. You're going to click on wallet.
I don't see that. All I see is trade with the blue bar.
Oh, no, listen what I'm saying. Are you on Commerce?
Yeah, I clicked on Cosmos.
Okay, and then what you see?
I see the line that goes up and down.
Okay.
Cosmos price,
Mm-hmm.
and then I see Cosmos 47, and then I see trade.
I don't know. So again, so can you see my screen?
I can see it, but mine doesn't look like that.
Okay, so let me ask you this. Can you go on your phone? I mean, on your computer?
Huh?
Can you get on your computer?
My computer.
Get your computer out. Let me get some other people. Get your computer out. The ones that can't see what I see, get your computer out and log in through the computer on Coinbase.
Okay.
Yep. Let me see. Bam. Okay. Bam.
Okay,
Bam.
this is Miss Watkins.
How you doing, Miss Watkins?
I'm doing good. Okay, I'm right there where it say trade, right?
Mm-hmm.
I'm at, then it say buy
Mm-hmm.
Cosmo,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Then I put in $50.
Mm-hmm.
It got $50 down to the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
10, 50, 100, whatever. So I'm doing 50.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, then up there when I do that, it's a preview buy. It's got $50 up here. So I'm gonna put the .00, okay? And it's one time. Should I do one time?
Pick the frequency. So click on the drop down tab and it's told, I can't tell y'all what to do, but according to this business model that I'm showing y'all, this strategy, it's a frequently bought asset.
Okay.
That will pay you.
So I'll do
Yeah.
monthly. I'll do monthly.
Okay.
Just to start off anyway.
That's great. Whatever you guys want to do, it's totally up to what y'all want to do. I'm just giving y'all the tool. You can pick daily, weekly, monthly, bi-weekly. Pick the amount, $10, $2, $5, $25, $2,000. You know, it's totally up to you. But now once you do that.
Now I got that, right? Said monthly, but preview is still highlighted.
Did you buy it? Did you buy it?
Yes, it's not letting me. Hold on.
Okay, so walk through that process. Listen, I want to make sure I'm not going through this again. Let me make sure everybody are on their computer that want to walk through this process. And if you on your phone, you got to click all the tabs on your phone to maneuver through, because there's no way I'm going to be able to do each individual. I'm going to show y'all, but I need y'all to really watch this. And I'm going to make sure everybody do it. But I need y'all all to follow me as I buy. I'm going to buy and I'm going to sit it up. Well, I already bought it. I'm going to sit up already as a frequently bought item. But I'm going to show y'all again. And I'm going to go on Coinbase to try to make sure I help to see what it looked like on my phone.
Steve, that's what I wanted to help with, because I'm on my phone as well, on my Coinbase, and I was following your steps, and just like the sister was saying that she didn't see it, but if you're in the actual asset and after you buy, right under the graph, if you click on not on the trade, but if you click on the little box that actually have the price of it, and it has the APY. If you click on that, then you'll see the manage.
Oh, really?
Yes, you'll see it.
What box?
It's right. It's right under the graph. So you'll see right under the graph.
On the top
Nope. If you're on your phone, I'm gonna show my phone. I'm gonna show my phone. I'm gonna
Okay.
show my phone for everybody. But let me get everybody that's on the computer right now. Everybody got this. Everybody, we can move to the next phase. I think there's some other questions here. Sheila, you next. You got a question, Ms. Abram?
Oh, no, I didn't have a question. I was on my phone and I was able to find it. I was gonna tell her the steps, but it was already told.
Okay, I'm gonna share my phone too, because I got it pulled up and I would just want to make sure. Great. I appreciate y'all help too. Awesome. And y'all can stay on here to help, but I just want to just make sure I don't get confused with somebody to try to raise their hand. I'm gonna leave y'all here. All right, so everybody so far, and I know Pamela, if you on here, I want to make sure, because I know you saying you now register on Coinbase. I'm gonna walk back again through the process on my computer. All right. Let me do it one more time. So I'm on my computer, and when I log in, it's going to bring me probably to either asset. It's going to be a home page. I don't know if it's asset because I got mine set as asset. You can find it here, but I would say go to trade for the person that don't have this coin. So the 3 coins that you're going to buy, here they go. One is ATOM. I'm in trade. This is for the people on the computer. I'm on the trade. I'm in the search bar here, and I type in ATOM.
Stephen, can you tell us another one so we can follow along if we already bought Adam?
No, let me walk through this.
Okay.
I'll give you the other one in a minute. I'm gonna give all of them right now. Let me walk through this one. So once you see ATOM, it's the first one. You click buy. It's gonna pull up this page. You type in the amount, whatever it is, whether it's $10 every, let's say this, I'm gonna set this up weekly. I want to show y'all this. So everybody said I was going to do something different. Let me do $20 every week. I got a weekly, but you don't have to. You can do a monthly. I already have this set up over here, but I wanted to show y'all again how it's done. I can cancel it anytime. So bam, I hit preview. It tells me all of the details, order preview, how much I'm getting, the bank is coming from, how much every week on Friday, the price that I'm buying this crypto at right now. And the purchase amount with the fee. I know the fee is there. Don't worry. You ain't gonna change, you ain't get around the fee. What you can do, you can outpace inflation by having an asset that will reward you. So here you go. And then the total amount. So once you click that, you hit buy. And it tells you it will automatically earn rewards on Coinbase. If you prefer, you can turn off the rewards at any time. That's for me. I found out with someone with a new account, it won't happen. You got to approve it. So once you buy it, bam, it's a buy order. This pops up. My internet been messing up. Everybody follow me that's on computers. Successfully purchased. Bam, once that happened, matter of fact, you can click here, view transaction. Now it takes me straight to my wallet. And it shows me the last purchase that I bought. And from this point, now, y'all see what I just did? I'll do it again. I'm gonna do it with the next crypto that I'm gonna show y'all. So now from this point, I can look over here on the right-hand side. I'm already under wallet. So now all I have to do is go over here on the right-hand side and it will have a manage page. And I click on manage. And yours probably going to say, if you're new, it's going to probably have this, none. If you choose, you can earn no interest on your item. Why would they ask me something crazy like that? Of course, I want to earn the most. And watch this. All you do is you check where it says staking /5% APR. Bam. And then you hit done. Once you hit done, it'll tell you how much you're going to gain. You ain't going to have no earnings yet, and you ain't going to have no pending earnings, okay? And then from that point on, you can just, you don't have to do anything else. You can view balance, and it's going to take you back there. All right, let me walk through it with another one, another currency. All right, the second currency that I'm going to walk to, okay? So I'm going back to trade. I like going to trade because I like to take and put in the actual coin I want. The next one, I'm on the trade. I'm on the search all currency, that little search tab, and I can type in TEZOS. This the next one. My internet moving slow, but I don't know why. Let me see. I think I seen you, Irene. You had something. Yeah, if it's pending, there's nothing I can do. You just gotta wait. I think it's going to take for you to go your bank to approve. All right, so now I typed in Tesno. Here we go. XTZ is the next one I'm gonna do. And so watch this. I click on buy. Everybody follow me with computers, right? Cell phones, I'm gonna link my phone. And then I'm gonna type in the amount I'm gonna buy. And then underneath the amount, it's a drop-down tab. Everybody follow me. Who don't see this? I want to make sure everybody see this. And then I'll come back for the people that just registered and some things may be happening where your bank need to be connected. I'll come back. We'll talk about that a little bit. If you already bought these. All right. So once you do this, you click on this drop-down tab. You pick the frequency. Bam. And you click preview buy. It gives you the details. Again, what price you buying it at, how much, the fee. You know, every Friday it will spend $20 and get me this asset. And then I click on buy. Okay. I click on buy. And it's going to buy it. And it's going to walk me through this process. My internet is lagging. Somebody else had their hand up. You can unmute yourself. Everybody got their hand up. I unmuted you so you can.
Crypto Steve. Okay, so I already purchased. It's already done, but you clicked on view transaction. And because I already purchased, I'm not sure where you went to actually view it to stake.
I'm glad you said that. Perfect. That's great, because I'm gonna do it the opposite way now. I'm gonna show everybody where to view. So once I got buy, you can hit done. And so that one didn't tell me to view transaction, right? So, and Irene, you can I got your hand up. I see your hand up. You can say something. You unmute yourself.
No, I think some reason my account, it keeps saying pending and there's an error with the bank. So I was trying to figure out how to change it to another account, but that's what I was looking at.
Yeah, so just go on there, add another account. I'll talk about that. Give me a little bit.
All right.
Walk through this. So once you go here, so this one didn't ask to preview the buy. And so how do I get around? What do I do? Well, I go to trade. Oh, so watch this. Some of you can just go to assets and your assets will show, it's your assets. It'll show all the cryptos you have. And so once you go there, you just scroll down until you find Tesno, Commos, or the other one is Algo. Okay. ALGO, ATOM, or Tesno, XTZ. So we on Tesno. So once I get to my assets, I just type in, I find it and I click on it. And then once you click on it, it'll bring you to this tab. Once you get here, you'll see overview. It gives you the price. It gives you all of the little details there about this asset. By the way, it'll show you that this is a $232 million trade, and that's down 26 cents. Every 24 hours, $232 million is being traded in this crypto, and it's down 26.95%. So that's a lot in the daily basis. You just click here to where it say wallet. It'll bring up what you just bought, and you just scroll down on the right hand side. It's going to have a manage tab. You click on manage. Your manage tab going to bring this up, and you probably probably say none. If you choose, you can earn no interest on your, it's probably going to be highlighted or checked. The check mark going to be there. You want to just take and click on the staking option where the check mark will say stake your Tesno XTZ and earn interest, and then hit done. And then it's going to tell you how much. It's going to give you a little detail button. Oh man, it'll give you a little detail button, how much you earned, what's pending, and all that. Okay. And I'll show y'all some other ones too that's on here, but really doesn't make any. You still will gain, and I'll show you. So I'll show you something I've been gaining off of one in a few minutes that pays for one thing. I'll show y'all in a minute. But so everybody understand that. The next thing, you found that?
Yes, I got it. Thank you.
Okay, perfect. Somebody else.
Found it too.
You found it too? Perfect. Somebody else had the same question they wanted to see. Who was it? Okay.
Steve,
Yes.
this is Caroline. Well, mine says that I'm using my phone. This asset is not supported by Coinbase.
Okay, so let me, which one?
Tesno.
Okay.
DOS.
What?
I think.
What state are you in?
New York.
Okay, give me a few seconds. I want to make sure you putting in TEZOS.
Yes.
And it looks like this, the symbol and everything. Oh man. Wow. New York citizens, they won't let do that.
New York is
Now the other one they let me do, but this one is not supported.
Okay, yeah, well, in this Tesno, and it's not 3 long, it's none of
No,
that.
it's the XTZ.
Okay, yeah, I didn't know New York wouldn't let you buy certain assets too. That's crazy. Yeah, it's nothing I can do about that.
Okay.
I didn't know that. But anyway, I got something else for you because I know which one they are letting you do for sure. So the next one, here it go. I'll go. Any other questions so far? Let me see. And again, I'm gonna walk back through this. I'm gonna go back through. Okay, perfect. I see that question. All right. So I'll go. I typed in I'll go. I'm gonna do all this all over. I'm sorry. Let me go back. Because I typed in algo, ALGO, and I click on buy, and I set up my buy, and here it go. When I click on buy, I think somebody asked me this, right? Yep. So when I'm buying the asset, right underneath of the price of my spend, there is a drop down tab. And that drop down tab allows you to do daily, one-time purchase, daily, weekly, first and the 15th, or monthly. Whatever you decide to do, you can do one time, you guys, and stake it and just have that amount staking if that's what you want to do. But the whole idea of the dollar cost average is having an asset that you buying on a continuous basis that's putting it into a staking model and paying you the rewards. Now, if you want to do a one-time purchase and do it, you can. I did that at first as well. You can do that. Totally up to how you guys want to do it. I don't want y'all to think that I'm pressing you to do none of this. I'm showing you other options for your money to give you more, to earn you more. I want, this is what I would want from everybody. This is what I want for me. This is what I want for you. Okay. I want you to be gaining rewards and living off of your unearned rewards. And then I want those rewards be put back into another reward system that will pay you even more. I want to put my money, again, I had this conversation with my money at the end of the year. I said, listen, okay, you did a great job. You earned me a certain amount of money. You did phenomenal. Great. I had a Christmas party for my money. I said, we're going to throw a Christmas party. Me and my wife got around and said, all right, we did great. Y'all did great. You earned us great money. All of the vehicles I got did phenomenal. And then after that, the beginning of the year, I sit down and said, okay, and this happened in true business. This happened to me when I worked. They gave us a Christmas party, gave us a whole bunch of those cookies, stars with the red and green on them. And they say, y'all did a great job. Gave us a $20 Dunkin' Donut card. And they did great, right? Watch this. At the beginning of the next year, somewhere around that first, normally it happens in the first month or two, but normally in the first quarter for sure, right? They got all of us together and say, all right, listen, you guys, we got some big projects. I'm going to need y'all to step it up. I'm going to need y'all to get this done. We got to accomplish this. This is our goals. This is where we got to be. This is what's got to happen. And they put a demand on us. And I'm just telling you, I put a demand on my money this year. I say, listen, you did phenomenal last year. Now it's time to step it up. Now I need you to gain me more. So watch this. I am really coming up with this system where every time I earn rewards, I'm going to put it back into another system to earn me more. I need my rewards earning me rewards. I need my unearned income earning me unearned income. I want to live off of my unearned income. Totally. And so I just want to provide and expose you guys to all that I know that can happen and how it's been benefiting me. And I'm going to show y'all in a few minutes how much I made off of Tesno. Now I showed y'all the chart according to January the 30th. But now I'm going to show you how much it is. And I'm going to show you why. This is the game changer that I don't think we talk about this enough. And even though it's low percentages on our rewards, it's not a lot, but it is a low risk and also a low to no loss. Why is that, Steve? So everybody, I just walked through the algo, right? Yeah, I think I did. All right, so here you go. I'm gonna show you this one. So I'm gonna show you two of them, but let me show you out. I think this is the shortest one, probably the one I did the least amount and probably gained the most. So, and I believe one of the most valuable ones, right? So when I go to overview, Comos, Adam, however you want to say it, is trading $1.1 billion a day in value. $1.1 billion a day in value. There's only 286 million in circulation. Now listen, I get excited, I get excited when I see the user usability of it, right? I see how and how much people are using it. And then you tell me I have an asset that have a reward. So watch this. Let me take you to the beginning of when I bought this. And this is the first buy, $250. It was fees. So it was $250. I know they charged me $376. When I bought this coin, it was at $5.20. December the 6th, 2020. Watch this. I put that 47.32 atom to work. In the next, about 15 days later, it gave me 27 cents. 11 days, 57. A couple of days later, 4 cents. Look, the rewards are low. I know they be low. But watch this. As you can see, from December the 6th, I bought no more. All the way till I just bought it one time until August the 12th of last year. So $250, and then I spent another $50. Now I put it on a dollar cost average. Bye. See, recurring monthly. August 12th, 2021, I'm sorry. And what happened? Here it go. Oh, I'm sorry. Let me look at, so at this time, the coin is at $14.13. The first time I buy it was at $5.20. Now, granted, they didn't pay me all of these. The same amount that say 38 cents. That's not 38 cents no more, y'all. If I put that same number in, how much it is worth now, that ain't 38 cents no more. That's when it was at the rate of. That's when it was at the rate of. Just like this. So when I go back down here and I look at this 27 cents. So this is when I bought this December, when they paid me this reward, December the 20th, 2020. 15 days after I initially bought it, I bought the coin at $5.20. So even if it was at $10, this amount today is not worth 27 cents. All right, so let me prove it to y'all. Let me copy it. So, and I'm just giving y'all a scenario. So let me prove it to you. I wish I can open, Coinbase won't let me open up another one. So here it go. Over here on the right, I'm sorry, I ain't even gotta go nowhere. I gotta go down, right? So I'm gonna paste what I just copied. Come on, let me paste it. There you go. Bam. And now let's see how much it is. No, I gotta buy it. I'm sorry, I'm in the wrong tab. I'm in receipt. Let me go. I do gotta go down. Gotta go back here. Okay. Didn't want to leave that page, but bam. Now, if I was to buy that much, and as you can see earlier, it was only 27 cents. How much is it now? Preview buy. Look at what it is now. How much? It's gonna cost me $2.65. The fee, so it's that 27 cents. And this is really hard to see because I can't put it on a converter because they don't have the converter for all of them. I gotta find one. I'm gonna find one anyway. But so I'm buying it today at the rate of 31. They gave it to me when the coin was like $5. So that same amount is now costing me $2. Subtract the 99 cents. Subtract the dollar. It's costing me $1.66. So it went from 27 cents to $1.66. How was that so? Because I bought it at back then. All right. Let me back up. So I just wanted to say that. So let me go back here to August the 12th. So I want y'all to see how much money I spent. So I spent $250. Let's say $246. I'm gonna say $250 because it charged me. And then I go here to August 12th. I bought another $50. That's $300. And then September the 12th, because I got it on a monthly recurring. I bought another $50. That's $350. And then again the next month on the 12th. September, October, another 50. That's 400, right? $400. And then I bought it again in December, November, I'm sorry. That is, how much is that? 400? Did I say 400? No, 450. And then I bought it again December. That is $500. And then I bought it again, $550. And then I bought it the 29th. I spent $100, $650. And then I just spent $20. Oh, there you go, right there, $20. And so watch this. I spent $670. How much is my assets worth now? I gained 64.69. How much is that $670 worth? $2,000. I got about 300, probably 330%. 333%. My 670, let's just round it off. Let's just say 700. I'm just say 700, right? I over promise, under promise, overdid it. 700 turns into $2,000. That's this one. Now, if I would have did more, I would have gained more. I'm just saying, y'all hear what I'm saying? I want y'all to see that why though? Why? What was the key factor here? Well, the key factor was not only that I bought at the time of 2020, December, when it was $5 and it's $31 now. That's a key factor too. That play a big role, right? But I've been getting paid in it. And as they pay me, because remember when they rewarded me that at the price that they rewarded it to me at, it was 27 cents. How is it going to be way more now? How's it going to be $1.66? So my rewards gain me more. Are y'all hearing what I'm saying? Anybody understand what I'm saying? I want y'all to see this. And I really want y'all to understand. I'm not trying to get you to do nothing that you don't want to do. I just want y'all to understand. This is the concept of constantly having your money work from. Now, listen, I promise this one thing you can always gonna get from me. You're gonna get the best opportunity to have your money working for you. Now, listen, I'm gonna say this. I'm not a lazy guy, but I can be. Let me put it like that. I can be. Right, Mike? I can get lazy sometimes. Right? So watch this. So here you go. But I know one thing. I'm going to make sure that my money ain't sitting down on me. I'll sit down on me, but my money ain't going to sit down on me. No, I can't have that. No, I've been standing up working all my life. Now it's time for my money. Now, you ain't going to sit down. You need to get back to work. Yeah, right. Yeah, right, Sheila. You understand what I'm saying? So one thing you're going to get from me, I'm going to find ways in this space that will constantly. Now, I'm not telling you to put everything because we got so many different things. A lot of you already know we have the opportunity with multiple things to gain us more. Earn, unearned, rewards, making rewards. We got a whole bunch of, but I just want to make sure that you in everything that I know, and then with the assets that I know, that's value. One thing for sure that I will say about these cryptocurrencies, and you can go look them up and read some of the stuff that's on them. First of all, Commos is and everybody know that I'm big on this. It is a interoperability cryptocurrency. platform, blockchain. It's taking the ability to have all of these different blockchains interact all together. And I love that. I love that. And that's why it's getting and it's gaining so much attention and it's rising. And it only have a certain amount and is really doing. Algo is a little different. They have a concept where they're going to do some things that's like staking. They got that staking blockchain. They have some great options there, and it's a little bit like Algo is still cheap, and it's really, you know, one of those ones. They have a huge. So even when I look at Algo, and I look at that, because one thing I'm interested in numbers. They still got 245 million being traded on a daily basis. They got 6.6 billion, and that's only half. I think they got 10 billion. They got 10 billion in total supply because it's only 6.8. There you go. 66% of the supply is out, right? And the thing that attract people to this is that ability to stake it, right? Now, Tesno is a little different. It's been one of my favorite coins. They was one of the first ones that offered a staking option on Coinbase. They've been around since 2017, 2016, actually. They ain't just come around. They've been around. Their rewards are called baking. So you baking is what they call it. It's not staking, it's called baking. So it's kind of like giving you the opportunity. They had an opportunity, and they get ready to take off. They get ready to offer a whole bunch of things into the space of payment system, all these other things. Algo is too, though. But they're trading at 232 million a day. And I think they max supply is about 901, I think 901 million coins. But they've been around. When I go to look, they've been around. They've been around. They came out in 2016, 2017 as far as this go, because I think Coinbase wasn't open until then. But they've been around for a while. But I would say that I'm telling you, asset, and I'm not trying to get you to buy these coins because I'm telling you to use them for the DCA model because it will benefit you the best. And this is just setting your assets in a different place to make sure that it continue. If you got money sitting, it's dying. That's the whole concept. And somebody say, well, I'm going to take some and put here. Listen, this is great because you will still be earning. And so let me see. I got some hands. I'm sorry. I had to share that, right? Let me see. Let me go back over the rest of the stuff because I might be talking too much, right? Y'all tell me to be quiet if I talk too much.
Brother Steve.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you for this. Quick question. So the dollar cost averaging kicks in when you set up the automatic monthly recurring or bi-weekly or weekly?
No, you literally have to go in. And so if you guys did it already, and you already had it set up, then it would be kicked in. But I think everybody now have to opt in. So when you click on, let me show y'all where I'm finding this at. So I'm underneath of my assets. I find the cryptocurrency that I want to look at. It's either Tesno, Algo, or Cosmos. And I'll tell y'all about Ethereum. I'll tell you about DAI. I'll tell you about USDT, and I'll show USDT. But Tesno, if you on there and you click on it and you go to wallet, underneath of Tesno is wallet, and then you click on the manage tab, it asks you, do you want to stake your assets? So if you haven't done it, it's probably on none. But you have to click on stake.
Yeah, I did all of them. All three that you recommended. So the question was about the dollar cost averaging. I'm familiar with it, but I just, that kicks in once you have that setup that you just was teaching, correct?
No, you have. So remember when you buy, it's that one-time option that comes up.
Okay, right.
Once you sit that one time, I mean, not one time, once you click on that tab that say one time, it puts it in a frequently buy set with the amount that you wanted to buy it.
Right. Did that.
Once you do that, it automatically, and you click on, I want this asset stake, it will automatically put it in there and stake it for you.
Okay.
It will compound. It's compounding it for you.
It's compounding. Okay. I was just wondering as far as the dollar cost, as far as is that system
right here,
you know, getting the coin at the best price. That's what I was curious about. I heard you mention that, right?
Okay, so that's the thing about dollar cost average. You buy over a period of time at a set price, you automatically brings down the acquisition cost. Let me give you an example. So when it's if I would buy asset at $3 for $50, let me give you just 3 days, 3 times, 3 weeks, 3 days. So I buy $3, the asset costs $3, I spend $50 for it. When it go to $4, I spend $50 next week. Right? And then the next week, it goes to $5. So I bought 3 different occasions, still spent the same $50, but I bought it at $3, $4, and $5. When I average out how much I spent times 3, right? Times the price. I'm sorry, I total up the price and divide it by 3. It brings down the price to somewhere in the average range. That makes sense?
Yes, sir.
So you're not paying. So most of the time, people always say, they hear about crypto. I promise you, watch what happened. We got a bull run. Crypto is taking off. You're going to get people to say, okay, should I buy now? When should I, what should I buy? That's the crypto. I had a guy stop by my store. I had people call me, hey man, crypto, man, man, it's a good time to buy. No, you wait until the bull run. What do? You dollar cost average. You buy now. If it drop, you're gonna buy when it's low. So you buy high, you're buying low, and it's gonna average you out. And as it average you out, you still benefit. All right. I'm gonna go back through this real quick because I know I got to do the phone real quick. And who else? Who else? Pam, did you get it? Did you go?
I'm here. I was on my phone. I just tried to log in on my computer. I ain't bought anything. I was taking note. I wrote it all down because on my phone, I was like, okay, where am I at? I see here where I'm in Cosmo price. I see the price of $30 and I see down here where it says the wallet and the trade on my phone. But then when you say you have to go to the one time where you have to, so I was like, but I have you on my computer. It's the problem. As opposed to you on my phone.
My phone right now. It's just making me do all this other stuff on my phone for everybody to see. Can y'all see my phone?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Bam. Here you go. For the people that's on their phone.
Okay, so I'm at this place where you at. Okay, so now where'd you go?
All right, so I'm gonna make sure everybody find out where they at. So my page at the bottom of your app on your phone, you got options. You got home, assets, and trade and pay.
Okay, now you coming in choppy. For whatever reason, you're chopping in and out. Okay, so at the bottom of my page, okay, home, okay.
Man, why is my internet doing this? Can y'all hear me?
Okay, now I can.
Okay, so I'm on the cash. I'm on Coinbase. And under Coinbase, it's got 4 different tabs: home, asset, and trade. Right?
Okay, I'm on, hold on. I'm seeing portfolio. I'm seeing, okay, did they log me on my phone because I'm on my computer? Hold on.
Maybe so. I think. But
yeah, I went to my computer.
Okay, if you're on your computer, I'll go back there. Let me make sure.
Only thing is I'm gonna have to put you on my phone. I have to go in on my phone to be able to see what you're doing because I'm flip-flopping back and forth. Or maybe I can just, maybe I can do this. I don't know. We'll see.
Okay.
Because I had went down and found it. So I thought Cosmo.
All right. So anyway, let me make sure everybody follow me. So just find when you find this tab, and where you live at? In Texas?
No, I'm in Michigan.
So Michigan, good. So it shouldn't
Yeah,
have.
I'm in Michigan.
I know sometimes I think Texas or Florida, one of them, I think Jonah told me one time.
Coinbase, make your investment today. Okay, so what I'm looking at saying, welcome to Coinbase, make your investment today. But down here at the bottom, I see home, I see a portfolio, I see prices and settings.
Okay, go to portfolio then.
Portfolio,
Yeah.
okay.
Oh, saying
Under portfolio, I see a list of all the different things.
okay.
And I'm looking for Cosmo. I see Cosmo. I'm gonna click on it.
Oh.
It put me back here where I was at. I was telling you. They're showing me the 3079, the Atom ATOM wallet, and it hits 00,
So
earn 5%, and
wait.
then it said trade.
All right, so
Like
tell me where, I want you to look at your computer now and follow me, because you're on your phone and you're on the computer watching me, right?
No, I'm on my phone watching both of this on my computer. But yes, I'm looking at my computer. I see your phone and I see you, and I'm holding my phone in my hand, working on it.
Perfect.
Okay.
And okay, stay right there. Who else is on their phone and watching me on their computer? So I'm gonna walk y'all through it, how I look on your.
I am.
Perfect.
But I was able to do it even when you didn't have your phone up.
Right. Yeah.
I did it too on the phone, so I'm done.
It's kind of it's real simple. Just make sure that I'm gonna show y'all. Let me show. So so click on the tab that say Commos at the bottom of the page. See that? Not at the bottom, but right there. Say Commos.
Right, okay. Yes, I clicked on it.
Because you already bought it. Now it's here.
I haven't bought anything. I mean, I just connected my account.
Okay, hold up. So see where it say trade? Click on that. See right there where it say trade?
So go back to where it say, okay, go back and hit trade.
No, I don't want you to go back. I want you to stay right there. Stay right there. If you stay right there where it said trade, it was there. Hello?
Okay, I'm here looking.
What do you see?
I see where I can put some numbers in to buy.
Okay, go ahead, buy it. That's perfect. Now I done got lost, right? Let me go back.
Preview the buy. You can buy.
Who else who have not bought that want to buy right now? Who else?
Okay, it's saying a one time. So should I be? What should I be hitting this? What should?
Totally up to you. Do you want to buy free the whole?
Okay, that's where. Okay, that's where I'm at. Then okay.
Okay, the strategy that I'm showing you guys is putting it on a regular basis. Listen, watch this. I want y'all to hear this. It's setting up a recurring buying with an asset that's going to pay you rewards, and you're getting it as of now. It will go up and you will benefit even more. I just showed y'all one where I bought in December 2020, I bought it at $5, Thomas. I bought it at $5 and they rewarded me when I bought it, and it was 27 cents. Now that 27 cents is $1.66. So the concept that I'm showing y'all, the strategy is take some of whatever your rewards from other places, your a quarter of what you earn somewhere else, 10%. I heard it say like this: take a third and put away for IRS, take another third and put back into investment. I can show you that too, and then take another third and use it. But it's totally up to you guys how much. So I can't give you how much. I can't tell you what you want to do. I'm only giving y'all this strategy. So here you go. So take it. The concept is taking and buying a asset, not having to realize when I'm buying it, but buying it on a consistent basis. And as I buy it, it rewards me. This asset that I'm buying rewards me. And as it go up, when it go up, I have now got rewarded in the asset at that date price 2 years ago that's now valued at a whole nother price. So you already gave me the rewards. So first of all, you set me up on the dollar cost average. Oh man, y'all can't see my screen. You set me up.
Okay, let me cut you off for 1 second. Just say this, because when I go out here and I put in the amount and I put in terms of the 1st and the 15th, but it's telling me that 0 limits. So I mean, I gotta go back and put amount in on my card in order for me to be able to do this, even though my card is connected to the bank.
All right, so let me show you again. You see right here on my page where it say, hey, my internet keep. You see right here where it say trade. You click on trade. You click buy. What are you using to buy? So read the details because it's somewhere on there that's saying, what are you using? See right here? This is my bank account. If I click on that, it tells me all of the bank accounts I got to buy from.
Okay. Okay.
You,
so I put it on. Okay.
You got to put in a bank account.
So I couldn't use my debit card for my bank account. I have to put, huh?
You can, you just gotta add it. When you click here, it is at the bottom, add payment.
I did that, but it's showing me 0 in terms of
it's not giving her limit. Mine was the same way. So I ended up having to do PayPal.
Steve, can I tell you what mine did that, but what happened, it hadn't cleared through my credit union and then it did. Mine was doing the same thing. It was giving me 0. And then I had to go in and re-verify my ID. That might be what her issue is.
I'm gonna take y'all back.
I went out there and put the 2 small payments in.
Oh, so you verified.
It did. Yeah, it did that too.
Okay, refresh your page, log out, log back in, go through the process. Every time you do any transactions in cryptocurrency, the #1 rule is refresh the page. And sometimes, not normally, but every now and then you may have to log out and log back in. I'm having internet problems right now with mine. My phone say 941. It's actually 8:56. My internet haven't changed yet on my phone. I mean, my time haven't changed yet, and it's wrong. So
is there a log out on here? What would I log out on here? Is there a log out button?
Maybe refresh the page. I don't know. So this is what I want you to do. Yeah, it is. It's always a log out button on every app. So all you got to do is find that.
Okay.
Tab. Remember.
Okay, I got it. Sign out.
Yep, and log back in, and I'll come back. Let me walk through. Okay. Let me make sure everybody else got this. So anybody else struggling with this, how to buy? Got it. Me. All right. So y'all already got it. Okay. I just had some conversation with my money a few days ago. I hear you, Al. Yep. It's gonna be days. Yep. All right. So let me see. Got it. All right. So y'all already did it. All right. I'm gonna walk back through quickly and then because I really want to make sure that everybody gonna have somebody raise their hand. I'm gonna lower anybody's hand. If you have a question, you can unmute yourself. Okay. Because I'm getting mixed up with who asking the questions.
Hey, Steve, how you doing?
I'm fantastic, man.
I'm having problem. I'm trying to set this thing up on my cell phone. I got you up on the computer now, and I'm on the on Coinbase, and I already set up the banking account now. But I'm trying to, I can't find where to go to trade it to pick the coin.
Okay, so you on your phone doing it?
Yes.
Perfect. That's where I'm at. You see my phone?
Yeah, I'm looking at, yep,
Okay, perfect. At the bottom of the screen, if I can log out, when you get back out.
Okay, maybe this isn't the right password. Okay, I can't be on both of them at the same time, Steve, is what I'm finding out.
You got it.
So I'm gonna have to.
Okay, so log out on your computer and do your phone if you want to, whatever device. Okay.
Okay, let me log out here.
Okay, go ahead. All right, so Mr. Vic, at the bottom of your screen, if you go look all the way at the bottom, I'm a actually draw a circle around this. Do anybody have this on their app? Anybody? On their app, you should have home, asset, trade, and pay at the bottom.
I have that.
Who don't have?
I don't. Because I'm looking. I guess I'm on the right thing. I'm gonna tell you exactly where I'm at, what page I'm on this thing. It says
That's not a page. That's not a page. Look, when I scroll down, that doesn't move. That's not a page. That's a menu tab. You see that?
I'm not there on that.
Okay. So tell me, because wherever you go on this app, that menu page. So are you there?
I'm on a page where it's telling me fund your account. Now I didn't already set up the banking account already.
Okay. So
then there's a tab up under it says buy crypto. But when you press buy crypto, it's only coming up with buy Bitcoin or one-time purchase. It's not showing me what coin I'm trying to buy.
All right, so let me just say this. I can't see that no more because once you fund your account, that disappear. That's why I had somebody do all this. So here, so on your page, you should see this. Now, this person had these different tabs, but she used the phone, the app. So listen, where it say fund your account, right? You see that on this? You see where it say fund your account?
Right.
That's what you were saying?
Mine is saying that. That's correct.
Okay, perfect. Underneath of it, do it say remaining steps?
That's correct.
What check mark is not checked?
All of them are checked. Account credited, verified your info, and payment method added.
Okay.
All three of them.
Perfect. So your next step is this: buy crypto. So here you go. Click on that. You can buy crypto right there at the bottom of that screen. You see right?
Yeah, I see where it says buy crypto.
Click on that.
Okay.
What is it asking you to do?
It's telling me buy Bitcoin one-time purchase, and they give you different amounts.
No, I want you to change where it say Bitcoin, tap on Bitcoin and change the currency. Or if when you tap on it, it should leave a search bar up top. Type in ATOM.
Okay, wait a minute, but that's not highlighted. Buy. At the top, it only says buy, sell, and convert. And then right below that, it says buy Bitcoin. Then it says a one-time purchase.
So
makes the drop-down box.
I want you to click on where it say buy Bitcoin. If you click on Bitcoin, it should be something to tell you to. Well, I can't see. I don't know where you at. I can't see.
You should click on the buy. Where is it? Buy, sell, convert. Click on buy. Then he search. Then he can search for the.
Okay. Now when you click on the buy, the screen comes up. Buy Bitcoin one-time purchase, and it gives you in increments starting from 10.
Okay, yeah,
to 1,000.
You're on the wrong page, so I want you
There's
to.
no place you can search for another coin.
I got him, Adore. I want you to go back. I want you to go back, man. I want you to go back to your screen, your home screen, and go to trade.
Let's see.
Find the trade button and then come back to me. Find where you see trade. Click on all of the icons on your app. And I don't know, you on your app or on your computer?
I'm on my app on the phone.
Yeah, find that icon. Nicole, you can say something. And find it. And when you find it, tell me when you got it.
Okay, let me go to home.
Yeah, Nicole.
Okay, so when you go to home, it's going back to showing me the 3 check marks, that has been done.
Okay, so it should say somewhere you already got Bitcoin. That's why you got buy Bitcoin. Somewhere, click on that fund your account? Is it something to click there to say fund your account?
No, right up under fund your account, it says buy crypto.
Buy crypto.
When you let's see, okay, when you click on the buy crypto, then that's where it's giving you the dollar amount. So we're back to that same page.
Okay.
Is there a little
Okay,
arrow that
hold
you
on.
can?
Okay, Steve. All right, I clicked on that Bitcoin and got the Bitcoin out of there.
Yeah.
Now it's showing me all the
different, it's give you a search bar. So
that's
type
correct.
type in ATOM. Exactly. That's what I need.
All right. ATOM. Okay, Cosmo.
Now buy it. Now put in amount. When you put in amount, it's going to ask you the frequency. One time, if you want to do weekly, monthly, daily, bi-monthly, whatever you want to do.
All right. One time purchase, so we're going to put a monthly. Okay. All right. I did that. And we hit done. Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Done. Okay. Buy Cosmo. All right. It's got my bank account in there. So now you just hit preview buy.
Let's go ahead and hit preview buy. Just read everything. It's going to tell you everything you want to do. So just read all of it and it should tell you. So preview buy, you got the date, the amount. If you're buying it one time, you got all of it, right? Preview.
Right. Then it says something about trade instantly on Coinbase, available to send in 7 days.
Just don't worry about it. You're not sending.
Okay. So and the other one is add $30 and get a $10 BTC after both your 4th and 8 buys.
I don't know what that is. I don't know. I don't know.
Okay. So then you just hit buy now.
Just go. You preview buy. It should walk you straight through to the next step.
Okay. So that's walking through the next step. Now that's not showing anything on a DeFi.
You're not on DeFi. You're buying the cryptocurrency.
Okay. All right. So buy now.
Yep. And then, but listen, I'm gonna have to walk everybody through this. So you go ahead and go through that process, and then you buy the other crypto, and then buy the other one, and then we're gonna. Okay.
Why?
Okay. Who next? Just keep buying all of them that you're going to buy. If you're going to put them up on a frequency, Mr. Vic, put them on a frequency. If you're not, buy one time. And then when you buy them all, I'm going to show you what to do. So buy the cryptocurrencies, you guys, that you're going to buy. So we can put it in there. So, and I'm going to show y'all that. I'm going to show y'all the ones again. And then let me go ahead and answer this question. I think Pamela and somebody else said something. You can unmute yourself.
I was just answering his question, Steve, about if you buy more, a certain amount more on that frequency, they're going to give you this bonus. That's all. It's their enticement for you to buy. Let's say you want to buy $10, but they say, oh, if you buy $50 a month, we're going to give you $10 in Bitcoin every so often. So that's what he saw.
What did he say? Mine's don't say that.
Yeah, that's what it said.
Yeah, if you up your monthly or weekly or whatever, they entice you to do that by giving you $10 worth of free Bitcoin twice or something,
Well, you can cancel anytime the frequency.
Right. Yep.
I think y'all. I mean, if they give me that option, I'm taking that. I'm buying anyway. But that's me. I'm not going to tell y'all that's what y'all can do, want to do, but I'm gonna buy anyway. I'm gonna take you to these coins so everybody had these coins real quick so they know which ones there is. There they go right there. Ethereum 2.0, if you're not, Ethereum 2.0 is not paying anything yet. It's still not paying out. And because I'm on my phone, Coinbase logged me out. So Coinbase then got real sophisticated, right?
I have a question, Steve, about if you already did the buy and you didn't hit the percentage or the 5%.
Let me
Do you
go
lose
back.
that chance?
No, you don't lose it. Let me go back. So I'm gonna show all of y'all. So once you buy the currency and you have, so I don't know if you guys, you're gonna have assets, and your assets is gonna probably be here. I don't know how many you have. So for me, I gotta go find mine. So that's why I always go to trade. But you can go to your assets. That's what this is. Your assets. The asset tab means that's your assets. Okay. How about this? I'm gonna do a training on different apps that I know people gonna need. Y'all gonna get that from me for sure. And I'm gonna offer that to everybody to make sure that everybody familiar with how. I think everybody got the main thing, main ingredient is getting in and getting out. But I'm gonna have to go because it's getting a little late. But let me just say this: go to your assets. Find that cryptocurrency that you bought, Tesno, Commos, or Algo, right? It should show up underneath your assets. For me, I gotta scroll down. So, and I kind of like go to trade so I can just type it in. And the only reason I do that, and plus I got a lot of other things on here. So I really don't like all of it showing. So I go here. Once I find that the coins, right? I can, internet is moving. So once I find the coin, I click on that coin. Them 3 coins, ATOM, XTZ, and ALGO. Those 3 for now. And then I'm gonna show y'all some other ones. I'm gonna show you how you can cancel anytime. This is not something that you have to keep going. You can cancel the frequency every time. You can buy one time and put it in the staking option, and it will continue to do it. But according to the dollar cost average strategy I showed you, is buying them on that. So if I'm gonna spend $100, you can say I'm gonna spend $100 in the next 10 weeks. So I'm gonna buy $10 every week. So now I don't have to worry about if I'm buying it high or low now. If I'm buying it high or low, it doesn't matter. Because, well, if I buy it, it may low, it's low now or it's high now, it's up 5%. But if it dropped back down, at least I know I bought it low too. And then put you on it up. That's totally up to you. Or one time, and you can still do the same exact thing. Here it go. I'm gonna show y'all this. So once you buy all the coins and you click on any one of those cryptos, those 3 cryptocurrencies I just shared, ATOM, ALGO, XTZ. When you click on that, you click on any one of them, not all of them, one. I find the one, I go to that asset, I go to the wallet, and I scroll down to the right-hand side, and it say manage. Everybody see that? Who don't see that manage tag? Who don't see that manage tag? Everybody see that manage tab? Perfect. You see the manage tab? No?
Yes, found it.
Okay, perfect. Who else? Who don't see? Y'all see it? Perfect. All right. A couple more people see it. All right, perfect. Click on manage. And this is what you do. When you click on manage, it's going to bring up that currency and say select the rate. You want to stake it. You want to make sure it says staking, right? Whatever the percentage is, according to that coin. When you click that, click done, right? When you click done, it's going to ask you, it's going to tell you the rate you're going to receive, how much you're going to earn, total earnings if you already earned, and pending. You probably won't have pending. It will show up in a couple of more days, all right? It's not there. X out, okay? When you X out all of those different cryptocurrencies that you put in that staking option should show up here under the manage tab.
What happened to my?
Okay, Steve, I hit the manage tab and then I clicked on the staking. So it's showing you 5% APY.
Yep. Now hit done and go to the next next one, and go to the, it should add, if all of them not showing
changes. It just says save changes.
Okay. So this is the thing, man. It say change, right? It say you have it, right?
Yeah, it's checked for staking, and then at the end, it says save changes.
Save
Yes.
change. Save changes. Exactly. You're going to save changes because remember, you want to save it. Again, you click on that button with the check beside it and hit done or save changes. Yours probably say save changes.
Okay.
Bam. All right. Under the manage tab, you should see different crypto that gives you that APR. If you don't see the ones you bought, like Tesno, Algo, Commos, then go back to your asset tab and click on that tab. The bottom line is this: buy the currency. And here you go. And I see Victoria, you said you lost. Have you signed up? You registered for Coinbase? You on your Coinbase? You can raise your hand so I can see where you at, because I can kind of like walk you through. Again, I'm gonna walk everybody through this process again, because you need to buy it. And then each step, just follow the steps. Here you go. I'm gonna find the currency. However you do it, whether it's through your app, if you didn't buy it, go to trade. Once you go to trade, you search for the currency you want to buy. Trade simply means buying or selling. I go to the search bar. Everybody follow me. You follow me, Victoria? I'm on trade on Coinbase. I'm in the search bar. I now type in the coin that I want to buy. Bam. Once I find that, type that in, it's going to pull up different cryptocurrencies. I want the one that's directly like I typed in the symbol. ATOM, Cosmo, Algo, and Tesno, XTZ. Those three. I'll text it in the chat bar so y'all will get it as well.
Were there any others?
I'm gonna show y'all one that it ain't got the ability to earn like these, but I'll show y'all more.
Okay.
Bam. Look in the chat bar. Them are the three currencies that I know. There's some other ones, but them are the three that have to do a lot more. All right, y'all got it. Everybody follow me. All right. So you say, so Victoria, where you at? Tell me where you at, because you said you was lost. Where you at now? Some reason I can't. You got to raise your hand. You got to raise your hand so I can bring you up. I don't know where. Yeah. Okay. There you go. I got you. You got your hand up. I see it. Can you hear me now? We can hear you now. And Pamela, where you at while we waiting on Victoria? Vic, where you at? You bought all three?
No, I haven't bought all three yet.
Go ahead and buy all three of them. The amount. Oh, if you want, I'm sorry.
Yeah, I got you.
Yeah. No, I'm saying, no, for everybody. The amount of three currencies, but whatever you're going to do, walk through that step. If you're going to buy them all, $10, $5, $20. If you want to put them on a recurring basis, do that. If you want to just do one-time buy for $50, then do that. I just want to make sure everybody got it. Once you get them all, then we're going to walk to the next step. Or if you finish, then that's great. Just give me a few minutes. Yeah, I'm not trying to tell you what to buy, Mr. Vic. I'm not a financial advisor. Victoria, I can't hear you. Okay, you must have something happened. Can you hear me now?
Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Okay, so can I share my screen? I don't know. I bought something, but it's not showing under my assets.
Okay, so where's it showing at? Did you refresh the page?
I'm doing it now.
Okay, refresh the page, and like I was sharing with Pam, and refresh the page and give me a few minutes. Tell me what you see. Pam, what do you see? Yeah.
Okay, that was it. I needed to refresh the page. So it seems like I bought 2 of them. I just need to get the TEZOS. So I
Right.
need to buy.
Right. Right. And so let me share this with everybody so everybody know. Whatever you do a transaction in cryptocurrency, always refresh the page. And sometimes every now and then, more, I would say not often, but every now and then you got to log out and log back in. That's not unnormal that you do that. That's sometimes that happen. But Pam, Curlin, I want to make sure. And then I see there is a 177. Oh no, I'm sorry. Yeah, 177. Pam, you finished? You did yours? Curlin, you did yours? And again, y'all, I'm not pressing you. I'm just trying to make sure if you are, I want to make sure you do it. I want to make sure that you don't leave here without taking advantage of it. I don't want nobody on here saying, I didn't do it. I did that. I had that problem. And when I was showing people how to arbitrage in 2018, can't have that. It's my fault if that happened. Now, I know some of you say, nah, but it's my fault. And it may be your fault, but I can't, how can I say it? And I know, Obama, what made Obama the president, right? President Obama, what made him so powerful? Was it him? I think it was him when he said no child left behind. Now, I ain't calling nobody children. I'm just saying, I think it was him, right? Am I right?
That was Bush.
Bush said that? No child left behind. Okay.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Well, and I'm not calling nobody children, but I don't want nobody left behind because I want to make sure that you understand what you know. Whether you do it or not, that's totally up to you. But I do want you to understand what you know. Sheila.
I have a question, Steve,
Yes.
before I go. Is there a list on Coinbase of the coins that have the option to stake?
Yeah, I'm gonna show you that list. I'm glad you said that because I need to make sure I show y'all this real quick. So when I go to Commos, the only thing that I would say, so you can always use DAI or DAI, whatever, USDC. They are 2% and 1%. And Ethereum 2.0. The only thing about Ethereum, though, it's saying that I earned the 145, but Ethereum 2.0 haven't pushed a project out, so I haven't earned it. Everyone else had paid it. It's in my wallet. Ethereum 2.0 is something that it's going to probably take another year. I said 2022 was going to be the year, but I just read an article not too long ago says it's going to take a little bit longer. But look, let me show y'all. So DAI, I had 92 cents in here. This is crazy. They gave me 2.2% on it a year. This is the crazy part, right? I'm gonna show y'all how much I gained. I've been gaining enough to buy me G999 every week. Look at this, 2 cents, 2 cents. And that's with 92 cents. Now, the only problem with DAI is that it stays at $1. So you still getting rewarded in it. It just does not go up in value. It's not going to go past $1. Or if it do, it's going to go to 101. And it's that lowest it'll go is 98, I think, or 99. So it's a stable coin. So the reason why they give you rewards in stable coins is because it's considered to be a lending coin. They lend that money out. So you can use that one. You can use DAI, you can use USDC. which is another one here. And you will gain money on them as well. They like the only ones I found. So when I go to my assets and I look at it, so you got Tesno, Ethereum 2.0, Commos, and then Algo. And they all
you can stake ADA, Steve.
and USDC. ADA on here. ADA.
Yeah.
So and
Cardano. Uh-huh.
Cardano, let me see.
Yeah, which ADA is the abbreviation. I mean, I don't know anything about coins like you do, but you can.
On here? No, you can't do it here. No, you
I
can't.
just did it.
ADA don't have a stake. You can buy it.
No staking. Oh, you can buy it every so often, but not. It doesn't have a rewards. Is that what you're saying?
So the whole concept of why what I showed you guys, buy something that will reward you.
Gotcha.
If you hold it. I can buy it on here. Just like I buy Bitcoin, I got Decentraland, I got, XRP, Solana, I got all them. But only way I'm gonna benefit from them is by when they go up.
Okay.
Assets that not only do I hold and I got to wait until, I don't want to just wait until the price go up. Remember, I want my money to earn me more money. So not only am I holding it, but it's got to be paying me in rewards. And I'm going to take this Bitcoin out. So I'm going to take that and transfer it. Only reason I did that, I bought it low. I was waiting for it to go up so I can benefit from the price. So now I can take it and put it in another vehicle. I spent that much on it.
Got it.
And I'm trying to just get more on it. Yep, I bought it at 38, it's at 41. I want to wait until it go a little bit more. When it go up to like 45, I'm gonna snatch out my profits in Bitcoin and take it and put it in another one that pay me on those bases. And some of them I just need to hold. Some of them I'm just holding because I'm waiting for that run, but I'm not getting paid off of them like them. So it's only 4. Schiller, not 4, but there's Tesno, Ethereum 2.0, Commos, Algo. They are the best ones, and then USDC stablecoin, and then DAI.
How do you feel about crypto.com staking?
I like that. I got that.
Like Cardano, you can stake Cardano. And what I see about crypto.com is you could do it by the month or 3 months or a year. You could choose the percentage they're going to pay you, depending on. But the difference, what I like about Coinbase, I was able to start staking the first one that you had us do just at $10. With crypto.com, there's a set amount. You have to have a certain amount before they'll let you stake. But I do like the fact that they do have staking. I like that.
I do too. I like that you can stake that polka dot on there.
Yep.
All of them. I like all. I got that 18 point something percent. They got phenomenal. I'm gonna train that. I'm gonna train on that. That's gonna be a curve. That's gonna be a learning curve because crypto. Man, that is so. I gotta get everybody to be able to maneuver through the apps and the platforms. So
thank you.
One more thing.
Great training.
Thank you. One more thing for everybody. Listen, these cryptocurrencies, the learn and earn, they give you these coins for free. You learn about them and they give you a certain amount for free. Go do it. And if you wait too long, they'll take them. So you got to go get it. Stellar Lumina, all the ones that you got on there, some of them, they will cut you and stop you from getting it. Go ahead. They'll take it because they only have a certain amount that they're going to give away for free. And if you don't go learn and earn, if you don't do it, you're going to miss out on it. So take advantage of them. And it's right there on your Coinbase. It say learn and earn. On your app, it say the same thing. Click on the same little lines we got on GSP. Click on that and the sidebar open up. You'll see learn and earn on the app too. All
You
right,
mentioned that they take it from you because I had almost like $300 that I had earned and it's not there anymore. Does that mean that it's?
no, they don't take the money from you, but they take you the option from you to earn to learn.
Oh, okay.
They don't
Okay.
take the money, no. What I'm saying is these will disappear. So you have an option. If you see that little dot and it say, you know, you can earn from learning, earn $3
Mhm.
a render. If I don't do it, it's and I don't sometimes like some of them will stay there forever. Some of them they're because they passed out as much as they want. They had a set amount they giving away, and once they reach that amount, then it's gonna be done. So if it show up on your screen to learn, to go ahead and go through the little videos, take the quiz, and then they're gonna give you the $3. Go ahead and do it because it's free. Crypto. It's all free. Okay. That's what I mean. They're gonna take the option for you to go ahead through it. So anyway, any other questions? I'm gonna have to go, y'all. I'm gonna have to get so how many y'all on here? So Vic, you bought it. You can unmute yourself, Curlin. You got your hand raised. I've been had you up, I think. Yep. Victoria, where you are? Where are you?
I did buy it, and that's as far as I got. So
You bought the ones. All right, I'm gonna walk through that real quick. And then who, Pam, you said you good. Sandra, you good. Mickey, you good. Curlin, go ahead. You had something you wanted to say. Curlin. Hello? Can you hear me? Hello? All right, so let me go ahead. Lori, you can unmute yourself and yeah.
Okay, I think we unmuted, right? Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, my husband gonna ask you a question.
Hey Steve, it's JC. Steve, I couldn't find the manage button on Coinbase.
Okay, no problem. I'm you right where I'm gonna get ready to go anyway, because I think Victoria, you said you bought it, right? Vic, you bought it too. So all of y'all might be sitting here, and let me go ahead and do this part. So I go to
on my Coinbase. Can I use that to just go through it?
Say it again.
I only have crypto.com coin on my Coinbase. Can I use that?
No,
because I don't have any other tokens.
No, you can't. You can set it up as a dollar. So listen, you can use any cryptocurrency to dollar cost average.
Right.
The system that I'm showing you guys is totally, it's dollar cost averaging a cryptocurrency that's going to reward me. It's different. You can dollar cost average any crypto on Coinbase. Any crypto you got, anyone you find, you can always, it's that purchase button right there that you drop down and say that one-time purchase, I'm sorry, that always give you the option to buy any one of them. But what I showed you, and if you guys want to do that, that's great too. You can use any currency to do that. Yeah, you can't do dollar cost average on your crypto.com. Thank you for saying that. So everybody know too. Dollar cost average is with any crypto.
But can you do rewards on that? Is it offering rewards?
Not with crypto.com. Not on.
Okay.
Yep. Yep. So here you go. Everyone, when you go to the currency that you bought, Cosmos, Algo, or Tesno, and I'm gonna show y'all if y'all want to take a picture of the screen. You go to that asset and you go to where it say wallet. And I think somebody, Victoria or Vic, somebody said they ain't know where the manage button at on the right-hand side.
Oh.
Right here. Do everybody see this? I think everybody see this on my screen.
Yeah, I see it.
Yes.
I don't see it on my screen.
You let me ask you this: are you under assets?
I'm under assets and I clicked on Cosmos
And you got
and I'm under wallet.
you under wallet,
Yes.
and you don't scroll down. You don't see a manage tab.
No.
Or something. I don't have Cosmos.
Okay, so what do you see on your right hand side?
On the right hand, it's just the 0, send all, like you got Cosmo.
Keep going. Keep going.
Continue, but that's the bottom of my page and I'm on a desktop.
No, that ain't the bottom of your page. That's far as you going down. You got to scroll up. You're not scrolled up. That's there. You just down here.
I promise you. It can go no further down.
Oh, if it can't go no further down, it's because your screen, your window is too big. It's there. It's there because you're just at this part. This is where you at. Let me show you what your screen probably look like. You probably got it. This is what your screen look like, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So so I have it on mine, and now it looks like I can't go no further, but I can.
Okay. Well, I've shrunk the screen. It's no way for you to see my screen.
Nah. You should, baby. You have it. It's under there. It's under there. It's on everybody. Where you live at?
Tennessee, Chattanooga.
Yeah, Tennessee shouldn't have no issues.
Okay. You can keep going because I know you over the time and I'll catch up next time.
Yeah, just make your screen smaller. Go to the zoom in and make it real small. And you see how I just did it? Everything on the screen is
okay.
Yeah. No problem. Who else? Vic, where you at? Where Pamela? Oh, I think y'all already did it. Curling, you got it? And Lori, I forgot your husband's name. James, was it? I'm sorry. I'm bad with names. My own wife's name, right? Unmute yourself. I can't hear y'all. Sandra, you good? You got it?
Yes, Steve, I got it. Thank you.
You walked me through it.
Oh,
Thank you, Steve.
okay. I'll walk you through it too, Vic. Okay. So any other questions? Anybody?
I appreciate it. It was a good training.
Yeah, really good.
Thanks, Steve. I've always wondered about how to do that.
So if y'all want to take a pictures, take a picture. It's right here of all of the cryptocurrencies that you can stake. So you can take this picture. Just please cut me out.
Got it.
Just cut my picture out up here on the right.
How do we turn off the chat? It's in the way. There we go.
All right. So you see, these are all of the cryptos that you can earn according to the strategy that I taught you. Now, the DCA model, you can use every cryptocurrency on here. So if you want to buy Bitcoin, and actually, if you put Bitcoin on a dollar cost average, monthly dollar cost average, it will help. Like it will show you. Actually, I had Ethereum and Bitcoin on a dollar cost average for a long time. I don't know if it shows me all of. Oh, I got Solana right now on a yep. Oh man, let me so look, you guys, over here on the right hand side under trade. Under trade.
Okay.
On the right hand side, it say reoccurring buys. You can always click all the way on the right hand side. You can always click on that cryptocurrency.
Oh, yes.
Okay. And cancel your reoccurring buys. Okay.
Okay.
So here you go. I'm going to cancel Tesno. That $20 I just set up tonight. Cancel. It say, are you sure you want to delete this reoccurring transaction? Yes, I am. Bam. I'm gonna cancel Cosmo, and I'm hit cancel. The reason why I put in low amounts, because I want everybody to see that they can do this, because most people say, yeah, but you doing it because you did it with that much. No, I'm doing it because I'm doing it because it can be done. But when I tell people that what I'm doing, they look at what I spent or how much I'm spending, and they say that's too much. I can't do it. That's why I got a average, the average amount, low amounts, so people can see that it's done. It can be done. I'm gonna up my ante on all mine. I can also go on there and up it, change it, cancel it, and then make it more. Okay.
How did you get to interest?
Okay, great question. So I'm on the asset, whatever the asset is. Where's my combos? So let me go to that. So whatever asset it is, go to the coin, go to wallet, and then go down to manage. When you click on manage, you already got it saying staking. Just click done or X out, and it'll show you individually where you can manage interest, view balance, but you want to X out, and then you'll see all the ones you have here. And then you can click on each one and it'll give you the details of each one.
Okay, thank you.
Yep. It'll show you the interest over time, how much. And I started with a low amount. Again, I want y'all to see that this can happen. All right. So even though it's a slow pace, my overall whole portfolio is gaining me 4.6. Even though that's low risk to no risk and low interest. I got some other ones I'm gonna show you that's high earning, but high earnings are higher risk. Y'all follow me? Higher earnings are higher risk. Now, one thing, I would never put you in something that I know willingly that is going to be here today and gone tomorrow. I'm not going to do that. No. But what I will show you is assets, cryptos that got platforms that's been around, got a huge market, and have a huge usability where everybody's there and have some great, phenomenal returns. But I gotta slowly get y'all there. You know, this Coinbase is one of the easiest, the most used apps in the crypto space. So some of the other ones, and as Sheila was saying, like crypto.com, it's a lot of moving parts. I'm gonna have to do just zooms on just certain tabs on each one of these because there's so much here. You got, it's a learning curve, but it's well worth it. Okay, so I appreciate y'all. Y'all want me to say anything else I need to say or share or anything that need to be seen on the slides? You want to take a picture or something on there? Okay.
Where can we get the recording?
I gotta chop this up. I got too much. I'm gonna tell y'all one reason why I don't show a lot of my, because I got too much stuff of my assets. I'm gonna leave it there. Think about what I'm saying and think about I'm exposing myself. And just think about that. So I got to cut up some things. I got to chop out some stuff. I'm going to have to go through it. And it's 2.5 hours almost worth of content. So it's going to take some time. But I don't know how I'm going to get you the asset. I mean, the recording, because I'm not, probably won't have it. But I'll talk about some other options. Y'all see me again. I got to go. It's almost 10. Y'all have a great night. I appreciate y'all. I hope y'all, well, I know y'all got some strength, some takeaways here. Listen, however and whatever you guys want to do, take advantage of the strategy. I'll talk briefly about it again. I'll help y'all. I got y'all information. I'll see what I can do to even do some more to help y'all take advantage of even more. Y'all have a great day.
Thank you
You
again,
too.
Steve.
Thanks, Steve. Good night.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, Steve.
Thank you. I finally found my mute button.
Okay.
Have a good evening.